Hello, Manisha. Today I'm joined by Manisha, and we cannot wait to share her awesome results of her being in our community and doing all the work and healing that she has been doing. So, welcome, 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 Manisha. I'm so excited that you are here with me live and are doing this. So, happy to share your story with everybody. Welcome. I just want to start
Thank you.
with asking you a few questions. Thank you for being here and thank you
Thank
for
you
your
so much
time.
for having me.
Yay, absolutely. So I want you to tell me, so for people who are watching us on YouTube, and all the other places that they are watching us from, where were you before you joined my Shaktipat 90 Days to Awaken You healing program, where we do healing every day? How was your life before when you joined?
I have taken out certain notes, like I have actually
Yeah.
written down certain things for you to share so
Oh,
that I do not miss out on things which your things have helped me. I do not wanted to miss out on it. So
thank you.
definitely, like before joining all the sessions with you, I was in very uncertain and confused phase of life. I had just lost my job. I did not know what next, and emotionally, I felt low and stuck. I was already following some other coaches too, but I was not implementing the learnings and the teachings. So, yeah. So, before joining you, this was the scenario.
Wow. You were feeling low, you were feeling stuck, you were feeling uncertain, you were feeling just confused about all the things that was happening in your life.
Confused and stuck. I think it was
Hmm.
mostly most of the times. Even I have, like in during one-on-one, we discussed so many times, and you
Right,
have
right.
been a light in the darkest phases.
Ah, thank you.
Thank you for that.
Well, Manisha is not just in my healing program, she's also in my life coaching program, and it is amazing to have her there. It is the next level to the first step of the healing program. So tell me then, why did you join the healing sessions then? When you were in this place, what made you join?
I actually joined your sessions because something in me felt drawn to your energy always, always. The way you speak, the topics you cover, and the kind of inner work you guided us through. It felt like exactly what I needed on those days. Every time I joined, it was like you were saying exactly what I needed to hear at that moment. Always again. Every time I used to give this feedback to you in your sessions, if you remember.
Oh, I remember. And it's such a pleasure to have you, your energy, and just you being an integral part of that healing. Healing, it's not just a solo experience. When we do it with collective, we amplify 25 times, and studies and research show that we amplify our intentions when we're actually healing together in the collective. So your energy is absolutely potent, and I love having you and seeing you every day and doing the work. And it truly is a pleasure. So thank you for being a part of our community. So
It's
then
always
tell
like
me.
vice versa. It's always like whenever I switch on the camera and look at you, your energy is so positive, so high, so
Oh,
uplifting. And after your sessions, it's always amazing, amazing.
oh, thank you.
And you
It took a
always
lot of
want to
work to
talk
get
to me.
here.
I'm blessed to have you in my life.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So then tell me that what did you manifest out of being in this heal? Because this container is not just about healing; it's also about manifesting and creating the life that we desire to live. Right. So as you were healing, what are some of the things that you manifested in terms of your life?
This amazing thing, if you remember, I showed you open letter, which of course I'm not
Yeah.
going to describe it now, but then
Hmm.
about the manifested about, I will describe about career part. Of course,
Yes,
there are
please.
other things too, but right now, something magical which has never happened with me earlier, I'm very much interested to share with you.
Please. Yes.
So yeah, yeah. This is something I still can't completely explain, but it changed everything for me. If you remember, on 5th of May
Yeah.
this year, I
Yeah.
received a regret mail from company after completing three interview rounds and even having the fourth one scheduled. And I
Mm.
texted you that, hey Gunj, this has happened, and I felt
Mm.
heartbroken
Mm.
because
Yeah.
I recently lost my job due to
Yeah.
company acquisition.
Right.
And now this rejection just added to the uncertainty. I had no idea what to do next.
Yeah.
So the
Right.
very next day, on 6th of May, I remember I was shifting back to my hometown. No plan, no clarity, just a heavy heart.
Yeah.
And while I was traveling by car in the middle of heavy rain, thunder, and completely chaos outside, I just joined your session. मतलब बाहर इतनी बारिश थी और I was completely fully loaded inside the car with the luggage and everything. I did not know anything. बाहर इतनी हवा क्या चल रहा था. I just logged into your session and I honestly don't even remember what it was. EFT tapping था या some energy cleansing था. But I showed up hoping for some peace. And I remember either during mid of the session or end, I texted you, "Hey, Gunj, this has happened. I don't." And you asked me, "Are you upset or disappointed or sad? What is the feeling?" I told you I am not sad. I am not disappointed, but I have no idea what to do next. मुझे पता नहीं है अभी कुछ भी. So while I was, I mean, the next day again, I attended another session of yours. I was emotionally numb, confused, and again you asked me that what are you feeling, and I told you again I don't know what's next. Then
Right.
something shifted, and I remember on 8th of May, like
Yeah.
fifth time getting regret email. On 8th of May, the consultant through which the job had come and the HR recruiter, they both are trying calling and texting me again and again, that who had earlier rejected me, they wanted to speak to me again for the same opportunity. I was shocked. I had not reached out. I had not done anything. I had just surrendered to your sessions. I released my desperation and trusted whatever was meant to be. That's when I realized your session did not just bring calm, they opened space for miracles. And trust me,
Yay!
this thing has never happened with me earlier, that three rounds are already done and the fourth round is scheduled. Without fourth round, they are sending me regret email. And after two sessions of yours, the miracles.
Yay! I always tell people evolve your frequency. Don't solve problems. Your frequency is calling what you want or don't want in your life. So always take 100% responsibility and evolve your frequency. And you did just that. And you, yeah, tell us next.
Like I told you,
Yeah.
thank you for being that light during one of my darkest, most confusing phases. Your energy and guidance truly worked like magic.
Thank
And
you.
this, it's not just for this career,
Right.
career part. You have always been there. You are such a sweetheart.
Thank
I have
you.
no
Thank you.
words
Thank
to
you.
express. I'm so,
Thank
so,
you.
so grateful to you and like so blessed
Likewise.
to have you. You always
Thank
guide me
you.
through all your wisdom.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So, what do you like about the sessions the most?
Yeah. Oh, I love the peace and calm your sessions bring. Even if I join for a short time, I always feel better afterward. Your energy, your words, and the entire community space feel very safe and uplifting. I can be myself, express freely, and not feel judged. If you
Yay.
remember, Dittashri is always
Yes.
smiling whenever I'm sharing something. That's so beautiful. Like Anna, everyone, I don't remember Pritisha, so many people's amazing sharings, Wendy, so many, and you are not like that. You will move away until if anyone has any little doubt, query, any question, you are there. You are the
Thank you.
last one to go
Thank you.
like after answering everyone.
Yes,
It
100%. That is definitely
feels so
because
much.
I want this is not just a container where people come in. I truly promise transformation and I want people to feel held. I want people to feel supported. So thank you for reflecting that to me because that is one of my intentions for this community. So if someone is thinking about joining the healing sessions, why would you recommend others to join?
I would definitely recommend others to join because these sessions are not just about healing. They are about coming back to your true self. If someone feels lost, heavy, stuck, because we are all human beings, these emotions, these feelings comes again and again, and it requires so much of hand holding, so much of mentorship, so much of guidance. We think that just after one session we know everything. It's never like that. We need someone to be there for us. So yeah, like these daily sessions help bring lightness, clarity, and hope. You have truly created a space where people feel seen, heard, and supported. That's
Thank
all
you.
what I would like to say, because I could not complete, like, how, like, whatever I say about you, I'll feel it's less.
Aw. I love your favorite statement of, and
Dil
I've heard
mange
you say
more.
this a few times. Dil mange
Your
more.
sessions are like Dil mange more. Gunj, bring more. Don't go.
Oh, thank
I
you.
like
I
to
love
see
that
you.
about
Would
you.
like to listen to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I
Thank you.
like
No,
to
I
feel your
truly
energy.
appreciate you being a part of the community, and thank you for reflecting all of that to me, because that is my intention. Like, my intention is to, loka samastu sukhino bhavantu, and it's like I want people to live a life of ease. I want people to live a life of freedom. I want people to live a life of happiness. And when you come and do the work and shed all the things, shed your old identity, you really show up to life with ease, happiness, and grace. Things will happen, but to see you from where you were to where you are, and how you continue to show up and to continue to up level, it is just, as a coach, as your mentor, as your guide, as your friend, it just feels so good to see you keep making those strides and moving forward, and going places. By the end of this year, you're going to be in a whole new place. So by December 2025, when I interview you again, this is
Of
going to
course.
be awesome. So I truly love
Looking
that you are
forward.
living in that frequency, and thank you for being both in my Shaktipath community, the healing community, and my life coaching community. And I truly appreciate that. Thank you for everything that you are. Thank you for everything that you do. And thank you for showing up for yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, Gunj. I'm grateful to have you once again. I'm blessed to
Absolutely.
have you in
Thank
my
you.
life.
And thank you for doing this with me. I truly appreciate it, because, this inspires, like, when I'm in my coaches communities and I do this with people, like, it's so inspiring to see people, go from point A to point B, and especially with your career and all the things we have worked through. And it's such a short amount of time, right? It's like all these things happen,
Something
but
first time magically happened with me.
yeah,
This was truly
yeah.
magical. What happened?
Right, right. And
I had
and
to
you
be
are
there.
now working for someone. So that, and working for someone, living at home, everything that you wanted and everything that you are
Yeah,
creating and manifesting,
the kind of
So
work I wanted, I got another offer letter as well.
yeah. Yes,
So yeah, I'm
yes.
starting from tomorrow.
Yay! I'm super excited. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Manisha.